Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for every woman. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos.
The Pizza Maker Plus from Betty Crocker is a fast, fun, and energy-efficient way to create homemade pizzas or flatbreads with your own fresh toppings in just minutes. You'll get 12-inch pizzas with a delicious and crispy crust every time. It's also great for making a variety of quick meals and creative snacks with minimal preparation, like nachos, quesadillas, and even giant cookies. With its non-stick surface, it will always save you time in the kitchen.
Cooking eggs with our egg cookers is super easy, but I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks on how to make perfect eggs every time. Alright, first let me show you how easy it is to make eggs. All you're going to do is use the little pin on the bottom of the cup to pierce the wide side of each egg. Fill up your egg cooker and then fill up your cup with the right amount of water for the number of eggs you have. Then you just pour the water right onto the heating plate, put the lid on, and turn the machine on. And then you just have to wait for the little chime and your eggs are done. Why do you pierce eggs? That's a great question. Have you noticed when you get your eggs home from the grocery store, they're always wide side up? That's because there's a little pocket of air in that side of the egg. When we use the pin to prick the eggs, it's going to do three things by releasing that air. One, it's going to make the egg easier to peel. Two, it's going to prevent the egg from cracking under the heat. And three, it will make it so you don't cook an egg with a flat side on the top. While these eggs are cooking, let me talk about the egg cup. Now, if you got a large egg cooker, it will come with a large egg cup. And if you read the side, you might be thinking, why does it take less water to cook more eggs? I know it's confusing, but it's physics which are confusing. Less eggs take up less space, which means there needs to be more steam to cook them. Make sense? Speaking of science, if you live at a high altitude, then water is going to boil at a lower temperature, which means you might need slightly more water to cook your eggs. My eggs are done. Now that they're finished cooking, I would suggest putting them in some cold water, which will stop the cooking so you get really yellow yolks. It's also going to make them slightly easier to peel. That's a perfect egg. And that's it.
Imagine a dessert that you can enjoy in seconds that tastes just like soft serve ice cream, but it was so healthy for you, you could even have it for breakfast. With Yonanas, you can. Just peel and freeze overripe cheetah-spotted bananas, or use your favorite frozen fruit to create healthy treats you swear is ice cream, but is made only from fruit. Simply snap and lock in place. Turn the machine on, feed frozen fruit through the chute. Alternate pieces of fruit to make that perfect blend of your favorite Yonanas. Everyone in your family can have their own custom-made Yonanas flavor. If you love strawberries, mango, peaches, or chocolate, simply feed them into the Yonanas maker to create your personal favorite. Yonanas are delicious with or without bananas. Unlike a blender or food processor with a single blade that shreds frozen fruit, Yonanas technology grinds and emulsifies 100% frozen fruit to create a treat that looks, tastes, and feels like soft serve ice cream in seconds. Easy, delicious, and dairy-free. Yonanas recipes are endless. Pies, popsicles, bonbons, tiramisu, 100% fruit, or add some chocolate. You're only limited by your imagination. And cleanup is fast and easy too because Yonanas is dishwasher safe. Wow, 100% frozen fruit. Indulge in dessert anytime and never feel guilty with Yonanas.
Get your favorite recipes just right every time with the magnetic measuring spoon set from Spring Chef. This set is beautifully constructed from solid stainless steel with a sleek look. No rusting or bending. And never mess with a finicky ring again. This set nests together magnetically for easy compact storage. Plus they lay flat on the counter. No more spills. The set includes all the sizes you need with dual-sided scoops, perfect to handle spices or liquids. The measurements are labeled large and clear with both US and metric, making it easy to cook up dishes from all over the world.
Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day, but it's also the one that's most often skipped. Rushed mornings don't leave much time for preparing breakfast. That's where the dual breakfast sandwich maker comes in. Drive-thrus and the frozen food aisle offer easy breakfast sandwiches, but those can have questionable ingredients, so you're never quite sure what you're getting. Now, with the dual breakfast sandwich maker, you can make 2 of your favorite sandwiches with your own fresh ingredients at home even faster. It's great for families because everyone can have a custom sandwich in minutes. Just choose the bread you love, English muffin, biscuit, bagel, or even pancakes. Then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plates out, and you'll have 2 hot, toasty, perfectly assembled breakfast sandwiches ready to eat or take on the go. Cleanup is easy too. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and the cooking surfaces are non-stick. It's the perfectly simple way to make 2 delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwiches. Now that's good thinking.